Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your travel-savvy buddy, Savvy Rick Brown, and welcome back to my channel. Today we embark on a magical journey through the heart of the city of love, the enchanting Paris. If you're seeking to ignite that passionate spark with your significant other, you've arrived at the perfect destination. Paris is a veritable treasure trove of amorous experiences, and I'm here to be your guide, leading you to the most romantic spots this city has to offer. So, take your loved one's hand, and let's immerse ourselves in the world of love and enchantment that is Paris. Our first stop on this romantic escapade simply has to be the iconic Eiffel Tower. Nothing quite epitomizes Paris romance like a visit to this architectural marvel. The Eiffel Tower, with its latticed steel elegance, stands as a symbol of eternal love and charm. As you ascend its heights, you're met with breathtaking panoramic views that stretch out before you. The city's luminous skyline, adorned with the soft glow of 1,000 streetlights, will leave you and your partner spellbound. For an extra dose of romance, consider packing a delightful picnic and heading to the nearby Parc. As the Eiffel Tower shimmers in the evening, find a cozy spot on the grass, lay out your picnic blanket, and share a meal with your beloved. The sparkling Eiffel Tower will provide the most magical backdrop to your romantic feast. With the soft breeze rustling the leaves, the tinkling laughter of fellow travelers, and the captivating view of the tower, you'll be enveloped in an atmosphere of love. As you sit hand in hand, savoring delicious French delicacies, there's an undeniable sense of love in the air, and you'll witness countless other couples around you, equally enchanted by the romantic ambiance. It's a moment that encapsulates the very essence of Paris, a city where love flourishes around every corner, and the Eiffel Tower is the ultimate symbol of that timeless affection. Next on our enchanting journey through Paris, take a leisurely stroll down the cobblestone streets of Montmartre, a neighborhood that oozes charm, artistic history, and an unparalleled romantic ambiance. This area is a hidden gem nestled atop a hill, and it offers a unique experience in the city. As you wander through the winding streets, you'll come across the whimsical Montmartre Wall of Love, L'amour de je t'aime. This lovely installation is a delightful testament to the universality of love. Each I love you is a brushstroke of passion, and this wall beautifully captures the essence of love as a universal language that transcends boundaries and unites people. Montmartre itself is a neighborhood steeped in artistic history, and as you explore its streets, you'll find quaint cafes, charming art studios, and street artists plying their trade. So walk hand in hand, explore its charming streets, and allow the Montmartre Wall of Love to remind you of the universal, timeless power of love. All right, travelers, let's go on to the next section. Le Marais, another must-visit neighborhood in Paris, beckons lovers with its unique blend of history, culture, and picturesque beauty. This historic district not only serves as a cultural hotspot, but also boasts hidden courtyards, trendy cafes, and vintage shops that add to its allure. Strolling hand in hand through the winding streets of Le Marais is an experience that will etch unforgettable memories into your hearts. The historic architecture, with its elegant facades and ornate details, provides a romantic backdrop for your journey. Enjoy the cozy ambience of trendy cafes, where you can sip on a cup of coffee or indulge in delectable pastries while sharing quiet, intimate conversations. To elevate your romance to new heights, consider taking a Seine River cruise, an essential part of any Parisian love story. Glide along the serene waters of the Seine, passing beneath the enchanting bridges of Paris as the city begins to twinkle with evening lights. Many operators offer dinner cruises, allowing you to savor a sumptuous meal while basking in the romantic ambiance of the illuminated city. The soft ripples of the river, the soft glow of the streetlights, and the company of your loved one make this experience nothing short of magical. For lovers of art and culture, a visit to the Louvre is a romantic adventure all its own. Explore the world-famous art collection, marveling at masterpieces such as the enigmatic Mona Lisa. The Louvre's stunning architecture, with its grand courtyards and regal hallways, will make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale with your partner. Take your time to appreciate the intricate beauty of the museum and allow the art to inspire conversations and deepen your connection. No Parisian romantic journey would be complete without a visit to the iconic Notre Dame Cathedral. Its breathtaking Gothic architecture, adorned with intricate details and stunning stained glass, is truly awe-inspiring. To make this visit even more romantic, consider climbing to the top of the cathedral. The panoramic view of the city from above is simply spectacular, and it's a tradition for lovers to seal their affection with a kiss at this elevated vantage point. Before we continue our journey, let me share something that'll make your travel adventures even more savvy. Introducing Kiss My Baggage Fees, How to Be a Savvy Travel Hacker. Maximize your adventures with insider tips on flights, discounts, and more. Get your copy now. Link in description. Lastly, I recommend a visit to the delightful and historic district of Saint-Germain-des-Prés. This quintessential Parisian neighborhood is a charming oasis that exudes old-world elegance and an unmistakable air of romance. With its winding cobblestone streets, quaint cafes, and cozy bookshops, Saint-Germain-des-Prés offers the perfect setting for getting lost together and experiencing the true essence of Parisian love. As you meander through the streets of Saint-Germain-des-Prés, you'll find yourself surrounded by a sense of timelessness. You can sit together, lost in the pages of a novel, and immerse yourselves in the stories and ideas that have flowed through this district for centuries. Now, as your adventure through the enchanting city of Paris comes to a close, it's time to set sail and explore the wonders of the world. Until we meet again on our next expedition, my savvy explorers, stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world with an open heart. Don't forget to stay connected with me and share your own travel tales on social media. Bon voyage.